Mina ngubonakele Madlala ohlala ku Ward 20. Njengoba siyila namhlanje sizobonga kakhulu egagasini. Sibonge kumsunduzi, sibonge kumeya, sibonge kubo bonke nje abasifaka isandla. Sithi uNkulunkulu ngazuthi angabasiza kuyo yonke into abayifisayo.
Khulekan Shando, Business Development Lead and Spokesperson for Gagasi FM. Namhlanje we're here in Umsunduzi Municipality. As we all know, this is one of the areas that were affected by floods, I think a couple of months ago. And as a Gagasi FM, as a stage was on Natal, we felt that we do need to come and support Sandra. Ekuthenini lo mndeni leyo eyaba affected isimo senhlekelele sibone nathi ukuthi kupho okuncane singahlanganisa ukwenza just ukwenza isiqiniseko sokuthi khona usizo oluncane abalutholayo.
Sifisa ukubonga kakhulu on behalf of abantu basemsunduzi to Gagasi FM kanjalo nama partners alo. The partnership esinayo siyakholwa ukuthi izokhula from strength to strength. Okwesibili manje iGagasi lolusondela ukuzosilekelela to feed hungry families. Siyakholwa kule initiative kulabantu abama beneficiaries namhlanje kunomahluko omkhulu ozokwenzeka empilweni zabo.
Mina nguGokuzondi hlala eMbali stage 1. Ngizobongela kakhulu kwiGagasi FM lento esilenzele yona. Sibonga ukudla, sibonga oblanket, sibonga yonke into abasenzele yona. Siyasimangalisa, siyasikhalisa. Kodwa namhlanje siyabonga uNkulunkulu wehlela eMaritzburg.